Here we are again, 2023. My name's Rich Lamore. I'm a senior partner at Boundless Financial Solutions and the owner of Boundless Financial Solutions. Um, I've had almost 30 years in the industry, and I started off with a very strong ethic and teacher, um, Art Williams, way back when. And and of course, Dave Ramsey got his info from him as well. And one of the big pushes, of course, has to do with life insurance and term versus cash value, or I'll narrow it down right now to today to term versus IULs or index universal life. And there's such a war, people on the IUL side or cash value side really disparage term, and that's not correct. And people on the term side, I think, are very narrow-minded. Um, and they don't understand, like the IRS rule 7702. They don't understand what the power of life insurance can do in a retirement vehicle or used as a retirement vehicle. But let me be clear. If you're talking about pure protection, if you're talking about life insurance, almost all the time, especially if you're younger, Dave Ramsey's crowd is 20 to 45 years old, roughly. That's who he's speaking to, right? So if you're in that 20 to 45 and you're talking about pure protection, it's term. Buy term, invest the difference. I mean, it's simply the best. If you need a lot of insurance, that's the least expensive way to get insurance. It just is, right? But if you're going to understand that the insurance vehicle can be used in more ways than just death protection, which is what life insurance is, really should be death insurance, right? It can be used in more ways. Now you start to become a little more sophisticated, a little more knowledgeable, and you realize that Rule 7702 has opened a gap where you can stuff money in and it comes out tax-free. And there's no 59.5 rule there, and you can use it anytime to pay your kids' college, to pay off your mortgage tax-free. It gives long-term care benefits, and it gives a tax-free income for life. So, this all or none approach on both sides is really not in the best interest of clients. Term insurance is best sometimes. Index universal life is best sometimes. So to be so hard and fast on one side or the other really is not to do what's right 100% of the time. And so many out there are saying we do what's right 100% of the time. No, you don't, because you got blinders on. So anyway, that's my thought for today.